The Alamo System revolutionizes Hebel technology for commercial construction projects by combining Hebel autoclave aerated concrete, or AAC, with prefabricated metal stud partitions, creating a unique building method that is both cost and time effective, without compromising quality. Partitions for interior and exterior walls are designed and engineered based off project documents. Using specialized CAD software, shop drawings of exterior curtain walls and interior load-bearing metal studs are created. The partitions are manufactured using Alamo System's partition press. Utilizing this press allows for exact engineering tolerances and quality control. Each assembled partition is given a code number that corresponds with erection locations based on project drawings. Once marked and completed, the partitions are loaded and shipped to the site. Once on site, partitions are unloaded and staged for erection. Hebel AAC boards are applied to all curtain wall partitions. A layer of fiberglass mesh is adhered to the AAC and covered with the first skim coat of plaster. The plaster used for this project is also a Hebel manufactured product. Total thickness applied is approximately a 1/4 inch thick. After the final coat of plaster is applied, each curtain wall is primed, painted, and ready for erection. This process eliminates the need for scaffolding on the project, and only caulking and touch-ups using a boom lift is necessary. Each erected curtain wall is an architecturally finished panel and can be customized with a variety of finishes, textures, or reveals. Using header clips developed by Alamo System, the curtain walls are lifted into place. The header clips serve a secondary purpose in supporting rebar used in the exterior bond beam. Alamo curtain walls weigh approximately 10 pounds per square foot, allowing for the use of lighter equipment. A layer of sonoelastic caulking is applied before each panel is set to ensure a tight water seal. Each panel is set in place and braced until the entire structural system is tied together. While curtain walls are being erected, interior load-bearing metal stud partitions are set in place. Steel LVL beams, or lintels, are utilized to bridge the gaps between load-bearing partitions. During the shop drawing process, floor-to-floor mechanical, electrical, and plumbing penetrations are determined and blocked out, which eliminates the needs for shafts. Once these trades have roughed in, the blockout is filled with concrete and fire caulked. This particular project utilized 7-inch thick Hebel AAC floor panels, which have an R value of 14 and an STC rating of 48. The load-bearing partitions and lintels mentioned earlier carry the weight of these panels. Base spacing widths determine the necessary thickness of the AAC panel and can range between 5 and 12 inches thick. Each width has a unique R value and STC rating. Once all floor panels are set in place, rebar is installed between each floor panel and tied to the bond beam rebar. Concrete is placed between each panel and the bond beam to tie the entire structural system together. The concrete between the panels is troweled smooth, leaving the floor ready for finishes that are applied directly to the AAC surface. No floor topping is required. With AAC floor panels, ceilings are easily taped, floated, and painted without the need for heavy textures to conceal irregularities. During this project, on average, each 14,000 square foot floor took 12 days to construct. With the Alamo System, this 5-story, 72,000 square foot structure was completed in just 8 weeks.